Tinashe Hair. Okay guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So I'm revealing this wig from Tinashe Hair. All these goodies came with the wig. You can see them, they are a lot. Thank you so much, Tinashe Hair. We love all these goodies. So guys, if you order, all these goodies you've seen are going to come with your wig. I mean with your wig. Okay, they are a lot. Yeah, we love it. So that is the wig. Let's open it. Wow, when you open it like this, that's the first thing you saw. Oh sorry guys, that's the first picture you see, that card. Okay, and let's bring the hair out. Wow. STW. Guys, so that's the hairline. You can see the hair. This hair is so soft. Ooh, and the hair is glueless, guys. It is glueless and it is straight. You guys know I love straight hair. Look at the hairline. Look at the knot came bleached, guys. Look at the inside. It came bleached. It came with soft combs. Can see that the hair is already flat, so I say let me just pass my hot comb, because I just bought this hot comb. There is shocking me. That is why I did this. If not, I don't need this thing I'm just doing. I don't need it. As I just bought the hot comb, it's shocking me. So I say let me use it. Okay, let me use it. That is why. Just look at how flat the hair is. And now let's wear the wig. The wig is wear and go. It is glueless wig and it's 5x6 lace closure. It is straight and it is pre-cut. You guys saw that it's pre-cut. It is pre-cut. The lace is pre-cut and the knot came bleached. Gorgeous. In case if you are interested, don't worry. Check the description box. All details will be there. All details about this hair. The link that will take you direct to the website, that will take you direct to this unit, this one gone, it will be on the description box, and I will check if there's any discount code. You guys know, I will always leave it there. Look at how soft the hair is. Just look at it. You guys know I love all this kind of hair. I don't need to do anything to it. Straight like this, it's giving me life, and I love it because it's pop on and go. Who have that time to waste again going to the salon? You just pop this on. You don't need to spend your coin going to the salon again. Pop this on and you are good to go. So I use a wax stick on it. All these are formalities. So the wig came flat already. I told you guys that because my hot comb is new, I'm just giving it testing. So after that, I need to straighten the hair. See that? See that? See how smooth. The hair is so smooth. It's so soft. And it's lightweight. It's not like those wig that you will wear as if you're carrying a bag of cement on your head. This wig is very, very light. The weight is really light. You don't feel as if you're wearing anything, just like your normal hair. You know, with your hair you don't feel any weight. That is just this wig. There's no shedding. I did not add any cream. Okay, so I use foundation on the part. And one thing, you can just do whatever part, create whatever part you like. If you want it by the center, if you want it by the side, if you want it whatever way, sick part, whatever way you want, you can you can just create any part. You guys know I love center parts because of that round face. You know, I always say that I have this Chinese face and I'm proud of it. So that is why I always like center part, because it goes with the face, the shape of my, why am I missing my waist? Oh my gosh. So it goes with the shape of my face. Look at it, look at it, look at the hair. Ooh, we love that. It's glueless. It is glueless. Yes. You guys see, I did not glue it down. And it did not take me more than 10 minutes to install this. What is 10 minutes? 10 minutes is a bit too long. 5 minutes, you just pop it on. If not for my hot comb, that I just want to show you guys that I bought my new hot comb. I don't even need to do that. So you just pop it on. That is it, guys. All right, guys. See you guys in my next one. Remain gorgeous. Ciao. Mwah.